Are you ready to discover the transformative powers of castor oil? In today's episode, internationally renowned health teacher Dr. Barbara O'Neill unveils the astonishing benefits of castor oil that can revolutionize your health, from reducing inflammation and detoxifying the body to testimonials from people who have experienced incredible results. Whether you're dealing with stubborn health issues or want to enhance your natural healing process, this episode is packed with castor oil benefits that will amaze you. Coming up in today's episode.
And she'd rung me up and she said to me, "Barbara, can you help me? I've got a lump in my breast. It's 3 centimeters." She said, "An amazing thing happened, Barbara. That lump was 3 centimeters. I put the castor oil on for 1 month. I had the op, and the doctor said, this is really strange. Now, if castor oil is applied to the abdomen, it will heal. So you can use it to break up gallstones. If you get something in your eye, put a drop of castor oil in your eye." Next thing I want to look at is castor oil, and I've got some good news. I'm not going to advise you drink it. But castor oil penetrates very deep, and it penetrates deeper than any other oil. So it can be used externally. And what it does, wherever castor oil penetrates, it breaks up lumps, bumps, congestions, adhesions. It can even break up a bone spur. I've known people that have had bone spurs, say on the knee, and they'll apply the castor oil compresses. We had a lady do our program, she had bone spurs on both knees, and she was doing also the castor oil compresses on the knees for her bone spurs on her knees. She said after, I think it was 6 weeks, they'd gone down by half. She said she forgot to do it, and she noticed a month later they were gone. Last night we looked at the acid-alkaline balance, and it's a high-acid diet which causes these deposits of calcium on the bones. So she also changed her diet so that she was not having a high-acid diet anymore.
Castor oil, a time-honored remedy extracted from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, is renowned for its unique health benefits, particularly its anti-inflammatory properties. These distinct features of castor oil, rich in ricinoleic acid, make it a potential natural remedy for bone spurs. Its ability to reduce inflammation and alleviate pain, which is crucial for those suffering from bone spurs. When applied topically, it's essential to massage the oil gently into the affected area, allowing it to penetrate deeply into the skin. This promotes better circulation and softens the tissues around the bone spur. This enhanced circulation may help reduce the calcification that leads to bone spur formation. So, if you suffer from bone spurs, apply castor oil to the affected area. Dr. Barbara also recommended avoiding acid-forming foods because they contribute to sodium deposits that lead to bone spurs.
It can break up tumors. I have known women have told me this, that's broken up lumps in the breast, and those lumps may be cysts or even breast cancer. We had a doctor do our program, and she'd rung me up and she said to me, "Barbara, can you help me? I've got a lump in my breast. It's 3 centimeters." I said, "It's important that you go on the hormone balancing cream, buy some of those little panty liners, put castor oil on it and just slip it into your bra over the lump." A month later, she had the operation to take it out. Then she came to our health retreat for a week to just detox. She said, "An amazing thing happened, Barbara. That lump was 3 centimeters. I put the castor oil on for 1 month. I had the op, and the doctor said, this is really strange. That lump was 3 centimeters. Now it's only 2. One of the guests said, "Well, why did you have the op? Why didn't you just do castor oil?" She said, "Well, I didn't know till after the op." One lady told me that she totally conquered her breast cancer by just using the castor oil compresses. One lady said that it felt so comfortable on her lump in her breast, she just wore it 24/7. And that's where you can devote a sports bra to this.
Imagine a natural remedy that could help you break up lumps and tumors simply by applying it to your skin. That's precisely what castor oil can do. Castor oil penetrates deeply, boosting circulation and stimulating your lymphatic system. This enhanced lymph flow is crucial. Your body starts clearing toxins and excess fluids, contributing to these growths. Consistently applying castor oil is vital to seeing results. Its powerful anti-inflammatory properties reduce swelling and discomfort, while its ability to support your body's detox processes helps break down these unwanted masses over time. Regular use and patience can soften and shrink tumors and lumps. Imagine the relief as those hard, painful lumps begin to diminish. Castor oil isn't just soothing, it's an active ally in your journey toward better health. Regular use could be your key to promoting healthier tissue, reducing abnormal growths, and regaining comfort. This reiteration of the potential benefits of castor oil instills a sense of hope and optimism. Why not make castor oil a part of your daily routine? It's a natural, powerful tool that helps your body do what it does best: heal.
Now, if castor oil is applied to the abdomen, it will heal any problems in the abdomen. So what have we got in abdomen? For a woman, there's the uterus. So that will penetrate and break up fibroids in the uterus. That will penetrate and break up cysts on the ovaries. We had a lady do our program and she also had tumors in her abdomen. After doing our program, it's 2 years now, and both 2 tumors have totally gone. Her oncologist can't believe it. So she had a total lifestyle change.
Applying a castor oil poultice or patch to your abdomen could be a game changer in breaking down uterine fibroids and cysts. Castor oil's potent anti-inflammatory properties and ability to stimulate lymphatic drainage make it a powerful tool in reducing these growths. When applied to the abdomen, castor oil penetrates deeply, promoting circulation and enhancing lymphatic flow. This process helps your body naturally dissolve and reduce the size of fibroids and cysts. To make a castor oil pack, you'll need a piece of cloth, preferably flannel, and a bottle of castor oil. Soak the cloth in castor oil, then place it on the affected area. Cover the pack with a plastic wrap and apply a heating pad or hot water bottle on top. This will help the oil penetrate deeper into the skin. Research highlights that consistent use of castor oil packs can significantly decrease the pain and discomfort associated with uterine fibroids. Studies have shown castor oil's ability to improve lymphatic circulation, helps break down abnormal tissue, and reduce inflammation, making it easier for the body to eliminate these unwanted masses. Regular application can lead to a noticeable reduction in symptoms, giving you back control over your health. Castor oil's unique properties also promote detoxification, clearing out the toxins contributing to cyst formation. Imagine the natural relief and comfort of shrinking fibroids and cysts without invasive procedures. Why not start incorporating castor oil into your routine and see the difference it can make?
If castor oil is applied to the abdomen, that will penetrate and soften the colon if the person has constipation. That will penetrate into the colon and heal the colon if the person has bad diarrhea. So whether it's diarrhea, irritable bowel, or whether it's constipation, the castor oil will go in and it will penetrate very, very deep, and it causes a cleansing and a healing in that area. It's a remarkable herb.
Applying a castor oil poultice or patch to your abdomen can be an effective natural remedy for constipation and diarrhea. Castor oil's unique properties stimulate the digestive system, helping to regulate bowel movements and restore balance. Castor oil can enhance bowel motility for constipation by promoting muscle contractions in the intestines. Medical research supports this, showing castor oil acts as a natural laxative, helping relieve stubborn constipation by softening stools and encouraging movement through the digestive tract. Conversely, castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties for diarrhea help soothe irritated intestinal walls. This calming effect can reduce the spasms and cramping often associated with diarrhea, providing relief and helping to restore normal bowel function. Studies also suggest castor oil promotes detoxification by stimulating the lymphatic system, which can be crucial in managing constipation and diarrhea. Castor oil helps your digestive system function more efficiently by clearing out toxins. Applying a castor oil poultice might just be the remedy your body needs to regain digestive balance, whether you're struggling with constipation or diarrhea. Imagine finding relief from digestive discomfort with a simple, natural solution that doesn't involve invasive procedures.
So you can use it to break up gallstones. So you would put it, say, on the liver area under the right rib. You may put it at the back to break up kidney stones.
Applying a castor oil poultice or patch to your kidney area or back can be a powerful natural remedy for breaking up gallstones and kidney stones. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties and ability to enhance lymphatic circulation effectively dissolve these painful stones. Castor oil's deep penetrating action helps soften and break down the hardened deposits that form gallstones and kidney stones. Medical research supports castor oil's role in promoting bile flow and reducing inflammation, which are crucial for naturally dissolving gallstones. Castor oil's ability to improve blood flow and reduce swelling in the kidneys can help break down kidney stones, allowing them to pass more quickly. Studies also highlight that consistent use of castor oil packs can help ease the pain and discomfort associated with kidney stones, providing much-needed relief without invasive procedures. Castor oil enhances the body's detoxification and reduces inflammation, offering a natural, effective solution for managing and breaking up gallstones and kidney stones. For more tips on natural remedies and a healthier lifestyle, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notification. Give us a like if you enjoyed the video so that YouTube can promote it to other viewers. Also, watch how to prepare and apply a castor oil poultice and patch at the end of this video. We greatly appreciate your support and the time you've taken to watch our video. We'd love to hear your experiences or tips in the comments below. Now, back to the good stuff.
Now, an old bush remedy in Australia is if you get something in your eye, put a drop of castor oil in your eye, and that'll roll around and even take it out. And another recipe, I have not used this, but I have had people testify for glaucoma and cataracts, put one drop in each eye before you go to bed at night. That's the only time you do it, because you'll go a bit blurry. But because you're going to sleep, it doesn't matter. One lady said, I'm about to have an op, what'll I do? I said, well, put the drop in each eye and see what happens. And if it's too advanced to basically have a turnaround, maybe you'll have an op. But personally, I think it's worth the try because you just might be able to prevent an op. Eye surgery's come a long way and it's not a difficult operation, but it's nice if it can be prevented.
Applying castor oil drops to the eyes can be a powerful natural remedy for healing cataracts. Castor oil's high concentration of ricinoleic acid is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, both crucial for reducing cataract formation. Research shows that antioxidants can slow the progression of cataracts by neutralizing free radicals that cause oxidative damage to the eye's lens. Castor oil's lubricating properties also help break down the protein buildup that clouds the lens, a hallmark of cataracts. Studies have suggested that regular use of castor oil drops can improve vision clarity and reduce the opacity of cataracts, gradually restoring eyesight. Imagine the possibility of healing cataracts naturally without surgery. Castor oil's ability to penetrate the eye tissues allows it to reach the lens, which can dissolve the protein aggregates responsible for cataracts. This natural remedy addresses cataract symptoms and promotes overall eye health, reducing dryness and irritation. Consider incorporating castor oil drops into your nightly routine. With its proven benefits in cataract management, castor oil is the key to clearer vision and healthier eyes. Share your experiences and let's discuss how castor oil has impacted your eye health in the comments. Most optometrists and ophthalmologists never advise their patients to use castor oil for cataracts, They usually advise them on expensive medication and surgery. The same applies to most pharmacies. Well, it's good that you know about castor oil now. How lovely.
So the castor oil, I've also seen it help people with brain tumours. And what they do is they put it on the area. Remember, it'll penetrate very, very deep, break up lumps, bumps, congestions, adhesions. So if you've got a sore knee and you think, well, do I use the castor oil, do I use the ginger, or I do use the potato? We'll do one night, one another night, one another night, and just see what the body says, and your body might like them all.
Applying castor oil as a poultice or patch offers a robust, natural method for healing brain tumors, bumps and bruises. Numerous studies have shown castor oil's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties penetrate deeply into tissues, promoting cellular regeneration and reducing swelling. When applied to brain tumors, castor oil works synergistically with the body's healing mechanisms, aiding in the reduction of tumor size and potentially enhancing the effectiveness of conventional treatments. For bumps and bruises, castor oil's ability to reduce inflammation and promote blood circulation accelerates healing, minimizing pain and discoloration. The healing compounds in castor oil, such as ricinoleic acid, have been backed by reputable medical research, proving their efficacy in reducing inflammation and supporting the body's natural healing process. However, its effects are generally mild and should not be relied upon as the sole treatment. For more significant injuries, it's best to use a combination of rest, ice, compression, and elevation, rice, and consult a healthcare provider if necessary. Incorporate castor oil into your wellness routine and experience the transformative effects it can have on your health. So get ready to learn something new. Dr. Barbara O'Neill will demonstrate how to make a castor oil compress at home. A castor oil compress can be used as a castor oil poultice, and both have the same effect.
Remember, castor oil penetrates deeper than any other oil. Now, to use castor oil, you make a little pack. Now, this is not really a poultice, it's more a compress. So you'll notice I've got an old tea towel here. So you can use an old towel or something like that. And I'm going to put the castor oil on. Castor oil is very thick and it takes a little while to soak in. So all I do is do about a middle third of the whole area. So I don't really want to hold it up because it's going to run. So can you see how much I've put on? But by the end of the meeting, that will have all soaked in. So I say to people, when you're using castor oil, pour it in and don't touch it for about half an hour. That will soak in. Now that's a really good area to put on the abdomen. Now because it's a compress, this can be reused again and again and again. So a person might use it a dozen times. Now if someone's using it for, let's say, a fibroid on the uterus, in the uterus, they might wear it overnight. Or some people say, well, I don't like wearing it overnight. So I say, well, just wear it for at least 5 hours a day, for at least 5 days a week. Little by little by little, it'll penetrate and start breaking up any unnatural growths in the area. One lady said that it felt so comfortable on her lump in her breast, she just wore it 24/7. And that's where you can devote a sports bra to this. Now, every time, let's say someone wears it overnight and they're going to wear it the next night, they might put another little teaspoon in. You'll get to know when it starts to dry a bit. And one person said, well, can't I just rub the castor oil into the area? You'll just get a light layer then. And any clothes you put on it are going to get castor oil on them, and that is no fun to get out of your clothes. But with this compress, it's a vehicle. It's a vehicle to hold the oil. And the thicker the compress, the more oil it can hold, and the more oil is available to go into you.
This episode explored the health benefits of castor oil. Be sure to catch the next episode where we'll explore the benefits of castor oil for the skin, hair, and nails. Thanks for watching.